Today, MTD CNC are privileged to be at the official opening of Hurco's new training facility here in Huddersfield at Kirklees College. It's a brilliant facility and we're going to go inside to find out more. Paul, this is a fantastic new facility, training facility that you've opened up in Huddersfield. How important is it for Hurco to support the future engineers?
It's very important. The young people now that are coming into the industry, we're bringing in new technology, the latest CNC machinery into the north of England. We're also opening it up as a demonstration centre and, as you say, a training centre.
What technology do you have here in Huddersfield? What kind of capabilities have you brought to this college?
We've got over here to our right, we've got our latest 5-axis trunnion table machine, full 5-axis simultaneous capabilities. It can be run and programmed either at our own control, conversational language, or via CAD/CAM.
Yeah, I think it's really important that when the students are in college, they're using what's industry standard or the most current machinery on the market, so they understand exactly what is expected of them and what will be required when they get into the workplace.
Now, you are responsible for teaching the students this new technology. Yep. How great is it for you, in your opinion, that the students have got this available now?
Yeah, it's amazing. We've got cutting-edge technology to use. Things move very quickly in engineering, they change constantly, and it's very difficult for a college to keep buying the latest up-to-date machinery. So with this deal with Hurco, we're getting access to what is the latest and most cutting-edge technology.
Hexagon are a partner, strategic partner in this facility. What kind of technology are you bringing to the party?
We use a couple of products here with the students and also with Hurco. The products are Visi, which is very much sort of targeted at the mode industry, and EdgeCam, our product for productivity solutions, where it's milling, turning, all the way up to 5-axis. So we work with the students, we also work with Hurco, so on a day like this, it's great to bring those two partnerships together. Yeah, they're being exposed to technologies which are being used in industry. So it gives them that exposure very much early on, so that doesn't faze them, but there's nothing like getting involved in industry and having the pressures of production schedules and, having to hit those deadlines, which is the reality of production engineering.
Normally everybody would have to come to High Wycombe to have the training, and then we would visit customers on site. Now it gives us the opportunity and the customers to visit us here in Huddersfield.
How much value does a facility like this have to someone like you that now is in employment, but you can tap into the resources here to learn even further?
Well, with this open day, it's going to teach me a lot, to be totally honest. I've got a couple of problems when I've been at work, that I couldn't get my head around it, so that's why we've come down today to find out how we do them things, how we go about machining the parts in the correct way.
And what do you think about this? I mean, is this something that,
It helps out, people sometimes, rather than ringing us up and asking for help, they'll struggle along, and so rather than, struggling along, they can come down and ask us a few questions, and it's probably easier than me talking it through on the phone to them.